In today's video, I am going to teach you how to deposit using a debit card on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Secure Client area. Once you are inside your account dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Funds. This will take you to the section where you can manage deposits and other account funding options. When the page opens, check that the Add Funds tab is selected. This is the area used for making a new deposit into your trading account. After that, go to the section labeled Step 1, where you will be asked to choose your account. Select the Pepperstone trading account that you want to deposit funds into. Make sure you pick the correct account before moving forward. Next, go to Step 2, which is where you choose your funding method. From the available payment options, click on Credit or Debit Card. This will open the card payment form so you can continue with your deposit. Now move to Step 3, where you will choose the amount. Enter the amount you want to deposit into the selected trading account. Double-check the amount to make sure it is correct before continuing. After entering the deposit amount, fill in your debit card details if Pepperstone asks for them. This usually includes the card number, expiry date, the cardholder name, and the CVV security code. Enter everything carefully so the payment can be processed without problems. Once all of the information has been entered, review the payment details on the screen. Check the selected trading account, the payment method, the deposit amount, and the debit card information. If everything looks correct, click the button that says Deposit, Pay, or Submit, depending on what appears on your screen. At this point, your bank may ask you to complete an extra verification step. This is often part of 3D Secure Protection. Follow the instructions provided by your bank or card issuer to approve the transaction. This may involve entering a code or confirming the payment through your banking app. After the verification is complete, wait for the confirmation message from Pepperstone. Once the deposit has been processed, check that the funds have been credited to your trading account successfully. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.